Welcome to Damian and Peter's show, The Real Deal Fever.
Talking cars, talking streets, where savings and roads always meet.
Welcome to our very first podcast.
Listen, a lot of customers have a lot of questions about a car buying experience. That's why we're here to help.
That's right, guys. You know how hard it is to get direct answers, but that's what we're here for. Hey, we have our first caller, Matt from Westchester. Hey, Matt, you're live. You're with Damian and Peter. How can we help you?
How's it going, Matt?
Hi guys, thank you for taking my call. I really appreciate the show that you guys are doing. It's really helping us out. So here's my dilemma. I want to lease a car because I want to get a new car or change my car every 2 to 3 years. But here's the thing. I drive about 25,000 miles a year. So is it even worth it, or is it even possible?
Hey, Matt, great question. Here at Bronx Honda, we can get you a lease up to 30,000 miles a year, and you can get into that new car you want every 2 to 3 years, and you won't have to stress about the miles.
And guess what? We also offer extended warranties to where basically if you think you went over your mileage on your vehicle, we can also extend that. We have maintenance packages and we have tire and wheel packages as well. So if you're worried about any type of damages and so forth, we have you covered.
Oh wow, 30,000 miles. I can really use that. Wow, thank you for that, guys. I really appreciate it. And now my next question is so I'm interested. Now what's next? Where do I go from here?
Yeah, the next step is to come see me, Peter Cars. We have the 2025 Civic Hybrid in stock. We have the 2025 Honda Accord in stock. We have the Honda Ridgeline, the Prologue, the Pilot, all these cars in stock. And my man Deals from Dame is going to take care of you.
That's right, come to Bronx Honda. If you have it, whatever your score is, we'll get it done. And we'll get you in your vehicle and rolling ASAP. If it's 0 down to whatever 10,000 down, we'll get it done. Come to Bronx Honda.
Oh wow, thanks a lot, guys. We'll definitely check it out. See you guys soon.
Take care.